Emma loves Saturday mornings. She always goes to her favorite cafe. One sunny morning, Emma puts on her green jacket and leaves her apartment. She wonders if today will be like any other day. At the cafe, the friendly barista greets her with a smile. "Good morning, Emma," he says. Emma orders her usual drink, a warm cup of cocoa. As she waits, she looks around the cozy cafe. Today, something is different. There is a small table by the window with beautiful flowers on it. Emma is curious. She walks over to the table. On it, she sees a card that says, "Have a wonderful day." Emma smiles. She feels happy inside. Emma takes her cocoa and sits by the window. She watches people walking by. The sun shines brightly, and the flowers smell sweet. A gentle breeze comes through the open window. Emma closes her eyes for a moment and listens to the soft music playing in the cafe. Soon an elderly lady comes and sits at the table with the flowers. "Hello, dear," she says to Emma. "I see you like my flowers." Emma is surprised but happy. "They are very pretty," she says. The lady introduces herself. Her name is Mrs. Green, and she lives nearby. Emma and Mrs. Green talk and laugh. They have a nice chat about the weather and their favorite books. As time passes, Emma feels warm and peaceful. She learns that Mrs. Green brings flowers to the cafe every Saturday. It is her little way to spread joy. Emma thinks it is a wonderful idea. She decides to bring a plant next time. They plan to meet next Saturday to talk more. Before Emma leaves, Mrs. Green gives her a flower. "Take this," she says, "to remember our meeting." Emma thanks her and smiles. Emma returns home with her heart full of joy. She places the flower in a vase by her window. Every time she looks at it, she remembers her lovely morning at the cafe. Emma can't wait for next Saturday. She knows now that sometimes small things can bring big happiness.